Good evening to all from IBPC. I am Bharat Narayan Moti. I am the founder and CEO of this company, Bloom Business Strategies. This has been set up about 10 years back. When I came here in 2006, I originally worked with Central Bank here. Then I branched out and started on my own because I was also on my own when I was in Mumbai, where I lived for 25 years. Bloom Business Strategies is a boutique financial services company. It is not a financial consultancy company. It's a financial services company which cater to the corporates, and it's a boutique niche services we offer. We offer customized CFO services. That's a main activity we do on a retainer basis to some of the corporates in UAE and also in India. We also do mentoring and strategic advice to some corporates here, because we move the corporate from X to X+1 in terms of strategic advice. We also render services like loan syndication and equity syndication for startup. Loan syndication, we are very strong. We get funders from both DIFC banks as well as regional. And we also do some swapping of high-cost debt into low-cost debt, because we have set up a full-fledged office in India where we get good number of proposals for swapping high-cost debt into low-cost debt with international funders. That is one more activity we do. We also do investment advisory. I'm a qualified portfolio manager. So we do investment advisory to a couple of high net worth individuals on Indian stock markets, not anywhere else. Because I worked earlier in SEBI and I got good connections with a lot of fund managers and FIs in India. So we get a lot of research reports. We have got a research team working in India. So that's a back office. So we are able to cater to the requirements on investments, particularly on stock markets. And in terms of strategic advice and mentoring, we render to the corporates. That's a very great activity. And we also do these days, in fact, I got 8 proposals of M&A, because mergers and acquisition is an activity which we also cater, where it is a recession-free industry. In good times, in boom times, you get acquisition requests. Now there are a lot of divestitures which have come. So we are trying to match and get a synergic benefit to corporates which are looking for either horizontal mergers or vertical mergers. I am also accredited trainer on corporate governance of DIFC. So we render that service to some of the local corporates who are hesitant to go for full-fledged corporate governance. So we try to give a roadmap to them in terms of gradual corporate governance activities so that they don't get into any type of cultural issues or family issues. These are the broad strategic advice, strategic services we do. We are a niche company rendering financial services. We are a boutique company. We do all services on a customized basis. So my contact numbers and coordinates are given both UAE and India. Please let us get in touch. Thank you very much for IBPC.